Life is short. If it's not fun, then I'm not doing it. How do we reprogram our mind to be happy with a positive attitude? Day in and day out, your thoughts control the way you react to situations. Your mind's like a computer, and you control the thoughts input and the actions output. You are what you think. Do you see the glass as half empty or half full? Do you say mostly cloudy or partly sunny? Reprogramming your brain is about removing words like someday, hope, and try from your vocabulary and replacing them with words like today, will, and do. Thoughts are powerful, and when thoughts are mixed with purpose and passion, you will reprogram your mind with a positive attitude. Life's short, and if it's not fun, then I'm not doing it. When you get out of bed in the morning, wherever you live, in the city or in the country, in an apartment or on a homestead, reprogramming your brain with a positive attitude is about the flow of thoughts, ideas, feelings, and beliefs. You are continuously adjusting your attitude in both thoughts input and the actions output. Hey, as Yoda says, do or do not. There is no try. Each day as you get out of bed, accept complete responsibility for your own thinking and visualize your positive attitude. Focus on the goal, not the obstacles. Like a motorcycle rider on a twisty road, look where you want to go. Don't focus on the obstacles, like the ditch, because if you do, that's where you will go. Look past the obstacles and visualize successfully reaching your goal. Is it too late? If you want to change your attitude, you can. Remember, the mind's like a computer and can be programmed with negative thoughts, creating a negative attitude, or with positive thoughts and creating a positive attitude. It really is up to you. When you get out of bed in the morning, wherever you live, in the city or the country, in an apartment or on a homestead, you choose. Choose wisely. You get to decide if you are happy or you're not happy. Most people don't even think about their attitude, and hey, they certainly don't think about changing it. Your attitude is completely in your control. The beatings will continue until attitudes improve. Life happens. Things out of your control will happen, and they'll always happen. You, me, everyone encounters obstacles, and the challenge is to stay on the road and out of the ditch. It's not what happens to us, it's how we respond that's important. Reprogram your mind and adjust your attitude, and you will be happier, and you'll have more fun. Remember, you only live your life once. Please, don't let anyone stop you from living your dream. Living self-sufficient on your homestead, or heck, wherever makes you happy. It's your life to live. Please, share this video with a friend. It's up to you to help a friend that needs an attitude adjustment. Adjusting attitudes. Ask yourself, are you happy? Do you have a positive attitude? Do you need a beating? It's all about you living your self-sufficient life dreams. Living happy, living fun-loving, and living carefree. Live life doing it yourself.